Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Kaspa news. Rusty Kaspa is the first massive step towards Kaspa solidifying itself in the crypto history books. We now have official confirmation that the full release of Rust is coming in a matter of days. This is a massive bombshell that is going to have nuclear effects on Kaspa and its price action in the very near future. However, if you look at the market chart for Kaspa today, Kaspa is currently down 3.86% on the daily time frame, now valued just short of 11 cents. Once again though, in some positive light, it seems to be holding strong and rebounding off this 10.7 support level that I drew out and mentioned in my previous videos. But with so many bullish catalysts surrounding Kaspa right now, the question is, why is Kaspa correcting? We will be getting into that in a little bit, but firstly, for this breaking, game-changing announcement, we have this post here from one of Kaspa's lead developers, Michael Sutton. To date, not a single significant issue or bug was reported for Kaspa on Rust mainnet RC, which is already very big news. Opal replies saying awesome news, so announce it as the official recommended release then. It's been running for over 2 weeks now. And Michael Sutton replies, we should start planning the release in the coming days. This is massive news. The migration process has been hovering around 20% or so for the past week or so, I believe. So this is massive news, and we're about to see this switch from 20% to a full migration from Golang to Rust. This is game changing for 3 main reasons. Firstly, it was already announced previously, as I mentioned in my previous videos almost a month ago now, actually over that even, that Kaspa Rust 10 bps is functioning on testnet 11. So Kaspa already has 10 blocks per second. Once Rust is fully migrated, the developers can work to slowly incorporate and increase the BPS on the mainnet. So we'll see 10 bps on the mainnet. We're closer than ever to seeing Kaspa 10 blocks per second, making it like night and day from its current position and the rest of the crypto projects, making it the fastest proof of work by a landslide. The second huge reason is because this migration is what is known as a hard fork, and if you've been following my channel for a while now, you'll know the complications, the drama, the fuzz surrounding hard forks. Most of it coming from DaVinci Jeremy, of course, but as such, this migration makes it a somewhat risky period for Kaspa, and as a result, it may deter investors and the exchange listings. My point here is that once this hard fork, once this migration is done, and the exchanges therefore realize Kaspa has done it, once again made history, they have to know that Kaspa's hash rate and therefore its price is guaranteed to skyrocket. So they will not want to miss out on the plethora of money they'd make from just trading fees alone. So we could potentially see some tier 1 exchange listings very soon, which is very bullish news. And the final reason, which may be the most important, is, believe it or not, Kaspa Rust, as groundbreaking as it is, was actually a side quest for Michael Sutton and Jonathan Sompolinsky. They decided that they wanted to work on Rust to take a break from Dagnite. Now, there is still a lot more work to do with Rust, like 32 blocks per second, potentially even 100 BPS. But now the Kaspa devs can dedicate more time to focusing on the Dagnite and the smart contracts and the rest of it, making this dream of 100 BPS with proof of work much more probable, which is insanely bullish news. So if you don't want to miss out on these breaking announcements that are going to come in the future, then please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more, because Kaspa is about to explode in value once again. Although, with such game-changing announcements, why is Kaspa correcting so heavily right now? I'll keep this short and sweet because it should be pretty evident. It's Bitcoin, but it's also the developments around the world surrounding crypto regulations. We can see here from Uphol's Director of Research, Dr. Martin Heisberg, that we have seen back-to-back zero flows from BlackRock, and Fidelity records its first outflow, which is insanely bearish news, not what you want to see right now after the halving. Furthermore, last week Tuesday, Wall Street is reportedly assigning zero collateral value to all crypto and crypto related products, so they are trying to get you out of crypto. Wall Street's destruction of crypto is currently going as planned. First ETFs, and now crypto is not eligible as collateral, they win again. But perhaps the most shocking announcement is this sudden charges against non-custodial wallet developers that challenge long-standing US policy on money transmission. It is regulation by criminal enforcement. The TLDR of this article here is that this policy shift by the Department of Justice has negative consequences, threatening developers and users of non-custodial wallets with criminal charges, creating uncertainty about the legality of crypto wallets, and it discourages innovation in the crypto space. They are trying to make it illegal for you to own crypto. Of course, the crypto industry leaders are not going to take this lying down. They're going to fight tooth and nail, but you combine this breaking announcement with the lack of inflows we've seen from BlackRock and Fidelity, and then also following the Bitcoin halving, miners are facing significant increase in costs, with electricity and overall expenses nearly doubling. If inflation returns or even stays near its current levels, miners are losing money at the prices under $70,000 Bitcoin, as their pure production cost is already a whopping $53,000. Discussions are already happening right now as big miners are underway to diversify away from Bitcoin to other chains and AI. Mining enterprises like Bit Digital, Hive, Hut8 have already guaranteed revenue from the AI sector. All these three massive factors are creating a lot of negativity in the crypto space right now. But in my personal opinion, not financial advice, do your own research of course, I believe this is just a strategy by the institutional investors, the industry leaders, to squeeze you out of your bags and then take all the crypto for themselves. I'm still strongly believing that we're going to see the most bullish, volatile crypto bull run in our history, and Kaspa is about to make history once again. And the more FUD that's circulating around Kaspa and crypto, the more bullish I've become. So as always, do your own research and remember, don't be emotional, be logical.